In this video, I will show you how to get Monopoly Go free dice 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do first is go ahead and open up Monopoly Go on our device. Now, there's a couple of methods I'm going to go through with you today on how to get free dice in Monopoly Go. So here we are, as you can see in Monopoly Go. Now the first way to do this is if you come into the shop, so you want to press onto the shop just here, and at the very top what you're going to want to do is just scroll all the way to the right. And what happens is every sort of 8 hours you get a gift, and normally this contains free dice, so you get about between 20 and 30 dice. So that is one way to get free dice. Now the second way to do this is coming down to the bottom left hand corner and pressing onto the wins button down here. Now by completing your daily quick wins, again by completing these objectives, you're going to get free dice. You can also obtain free dice from taking part in the daily tournament. So as you can see at the moment, I'm currently 4th in the tournament at the moment, which you can see if I do finish 4th, I'm going to receive 500 dice. But of course there's bigger prizes depending on where you finish. So you can see the top prize is actually 1,500 free dice, which you don't actually have to pay for. Now the final thing I want to talk to you about is actually a website that I found which is really good, and it gives you links to all the free dice which are released daily. So if you actually go ahead and open up a mobile browser on your phone, and what you want to do is come across the Google search and you want to search for appgamer.com and then put Monopoly Go. Now if you actually click onto the first link, this is going to take you across to a website like this. Now on this page, if you actually scroll down, this is going to release all the links for the free dice that get released daily through things like Instagram and Discord and things like that. So you can see all the links here and the dates. So for example, on the 16th of July, you can see there's a link for 25 free dice. So if you actually click onto this, and what's going to happen, it's going to load up Monopoly Go on your device, and it's going to give you the free dice. So we can just press collect and get the free dice just like so. Now there's no limit to how many times you can do this. Of course, you can't click the same link twice. Once you've clicked the link, you won't be able to do it again. But we can scroll through, and for example on the 15th of July you can see there's 2 more links there. So what we can do is click onto any of these links, and again it's going to load up Monopoly Go and give us our free dice just like so. So the free dice is normally about 25 free dice per link. Sometimes you do get 30 dice, and there's even occasions where they do give out links with free sticker packs and things like that. Some of the older links on this website may not work, but basically you just want to go through and try these links. As mentioned, if you do try to use the same link twice, what's going to happen is when you actually click onto the link, it's going to say, sorry, this reward has already been claimed. Now, one final way to get free dice is by completing the tournaments up here as well. So it's going to tell you how to receive these tokens. So you can see for this particular tournament, what you need to do is land on these tiles, which is the 4 corner tiles, and you receive 4 tokens. Of course, this can be changed with if you increase your multiplier, but once you receive the tokens, you can see this bar at the top. So if you actually, in my case, get 370 tokens, we're going to receive 350 dice. Also, keep an eye on your friends. So if you come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto friends, every day when your friend opens up a community chest, if you come to your timeline, you're going to see in here the option to receive free dice, which is about 10 free dice, which you receive daily as well once they've opened up the community chest. So that is how to get free dice in Monopoly Go 2024. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.